Security. Everybody is concerned about it. And if you're worried about the security of your precious files on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, then you might be interested in the latest update from DJI. The latest update adds an album password lock feature to enhance the privacy of your files. But is this update really worth it, or is it a bit of a waste of time? In this video, we're going to tell you all about it. It's called version V01.05.0320. And you go to the DJI MIMO app, you pair it with your camera, and we're just going to update the camera with it right now and just kind of see what sort of features. So it tells you it's added an album password lock for enhanced privacy protection. And after setting, a password is required for first playback after powering on, and fixed some minor bugs as well. So what has it done to the camera exactly? Let's have a bit of a quick look. So if we go here to the rear screen, and then we swipe down and we tap over here where it's got the hex nut. Right, now if we scroll down, right, okay, if you have a look there underneath naming management, it has an option where it says album password. That's what it's added to the camera. So if we tap on the arrow, that's now going to bring up the album password menu, and here's where you're going to create a password. So you're going to tap on the arrow, and it's going to bring you to this screen here where it's asking you to input a 6-digit password. Alright, so once you've entered your 6-digit password, it's then going to ask you to confirm it. And once you've hit the confirm button, you're going to see this screen appear where it says password created. And that's it, hit confirm. Okay, now if you go back to this screen here, it does give you options where you can update your password if you like. So you can go back into tap on the arrow to get back there. Or if you wish, you can clear the password and data by tapping on this one down the bottom here. Clearing the data will format internal storage, swipe to format. Now we really don't want to do that because I've got a lot of stuff on my internal storage, so we're going to go backwards from that screen there, and then press X to get back to your main rear screen.
2 days later.
I've just turned it on, and now if I tap over here on the button here, the play button, so I can see my previous photos, my previous footage, now it's going to come up with this screen here where it's going to ask me to enter that password. Once you have actually unlocked it by entering your passcode, if you now tap on the play button, you're going to be able to access your video or your footage that you've filmed. So this is one thing I've noticed though. So if you've actually, say, unlocked it and been able to watch your video, which is great, and then say you go to shut off your camera, like shut it down, right? And then say you want to put the camera on back or turn it back on straight away. Okay, like we've done right now. If I tap on that play button, I will be able to access that file like I was just before. So basically there has to be a decent amount of time between you turning off the camera after you've input the password lock options and then turning it back on. If you go to shut it down and then you go to turn it back on straight away, you will be able to access your files without having to key in the passcode. DJI has released several updates since the camera came out last September, and many of them improving the features and the quality of the camera. But what do you think of this update? Is it worthwhile or a waste of time? Let me know in the comment section down below. The Osmo Action 5 Pro has many great features, and one of my favorites is live streaming. Did you know you can live stream from this little bad boy to Facebook or YouTube or even Twitch in only a matter of minutes? Well, you can. And to learn more, you want to click on this video over here now.